How can I fix the problem that the Wi-Fi on the iPhone 14 Pro won't turn on? Next, watch my performance. Use the JCID Wi-Fi chip activated by JID P15, planting tin. Install the soldered Wi-Fi chip onto the solder pad. Done. Have you learned it?